Hello everyone, today we will be making this cup using basic features of SolidWorks. So let's go, parts, then sketch. So select the plane, we will first select the top plane, then make the center line to align everything. And this is also going to be the line around which we will going to revolve. Let's make few more center lines to align everything perfectly. And firstly what we will be doing is that we will be using the Revolve Boss feature to make the cup, and then to make the handle we will create a new plane. There we will learn to create a new plane, reference plane, and then we will sketch the handle of this cup. So let's go. So first we will make all the center lines. All the required center lines are here now. So you will see why I draw these many center lines here. So let's define them. Firstly, the inner circle, that is going to be 31 by 2, and then 43 by 2 and 48 by 2 respectively, as you can see in the sketch on the bottom right side. Let's go. Okay, this is defined now. So now define this. This is going to be of 28. Now this is ready. So let's go to lines and we'll first make the base of it. So let's go. We'll make the base. Okay, the base is ready now. Okay. So now what we will do is that we will close this lid up. Okay. And now you can see that this black line means it is perfectly defined, and the blue lines means they are not defined, not constrained yet. So let's make a 3-point arc. 3-point arc, as you can see, we nearly are done. Now we need to define it all. Using smart dimensioning, we will define the radius, that is 58. Similarly, these two circles or arcs will be concentric. We have it. Now, as you can see, this has been misaligned. So, okay, select the point. Select the point and select the center line and make it coincident. Okay, now done. This point is defined. As you can see, it has turned black. Now we will define the depth. That is going to be of, as you know, we can write mathematic formula in this. So let's go 48 43 by 2. Okay, done. This part is ready now. So let's revolve Boss, round it around the center line, and done. Now you can see our cup is ready. We just first we will add this fillet of 1 mm on each side, as you can see. Done. Now this is ready. Now you would be needing to add fillet here of 5 mm also, as you can see in the sketch. 5 mm. Now done. As you can see, this part is done now. So what else we need to do is that we would be adding the front plane. Go to sketch, and we will be sketching a few center lines for our reference to make the new plane. So let's go. First we will do all this, everything. Okay, done. Now one more center line, and this is going to be perpendicular to the other one. So as you can see in the again one more, and this is going to be of constant. As you can see, there are a few small green and yellow symbols there that signify, like, that tell us that okay, this part is perpendicular or this part is not, this part is coincident and all. So let's see. We will define it. It is 16 and the upper part is 6, as you can see. And we will make one more line parallel to this line. Okay, done. Now we will add dimension to it. As you can see, it is going to be 1 mm apart. So basically, we are making the center for our cup handle. So let's go to reference plane. Now see carefully. We will select this line and make it perpendicular. Now we will select the second reference and we will select this line and make it coincident. As you can see, the plane is ready now. So let's go and let's sketch. Firstly, what we will do is that down in the center we will make one. Let's go. We will first make one. Okay, and then we will define it. Define this rectangle 5 and 2. As you can see, it is there 5 and 2. If you ask me how I got to know that it is going to be of 2, as you can see there is defined 2 radius, 9 mm and 7 mm, or 9 units or 7 units. So 9 minus 7, that is 2. So let's go. We'll define it, and now we will make the distance between these two, and that is going to be 2x of the radius. So that is 8 and this is 16. How you will say that it is 8? So this is going to be 8 plus 7 by 2. That's it. We will flip it up to next and done. As you can see, our handle is coming along. We will hide, sketch, and also the sketch. Hide it. Okay, done. So now we just need to make that curve over there. Let's go to sketch. Now we will define 2 points, center, on the center of. Okay, done. Now what we will do is that we will use arc, 3-point arc, as we have used before also in this sketch. So let's make it here. Now we will define it. That is going to be of 16, means 8 mm radius. So let's go. It is done. Now we will select the surface and then the sketch, the arc, and go to sweep, and we will make it. Now we just need to merge everything. Use in the line. Okay. Done. Now this part is fully ready now. So basically our cup is ready now. So now we need to add colors to it. So let's first make this curve. As you can see, it is of 2 mm radius. So let's add it. Okay, and just add it. Okay, done. Now let's go. Okay, let's add colors to it. I will fast forward this video so that you can, if you want to skip, you can skip it, or if you want to know how to add colors and advanced features of adding the colors and appearance to it, you can watch the video carefully to know everything. Okay, so let's do it. Add colors to it, add lightning, illumination and all to it, and reflections and all.